Weird.
I thought the dog was stuck.
Just kidding. I was gonna go knock on his window. That would be like a messed up Romeo and Juliet.
Come with me to his window.
Okay.
I don't want to get seen if he's like standing right there.
Cool.
Cool beans.
Go. Come here. I don't think he heard us. I don't think he's gonna answer. Which way it opens?
I don't know.
Or do they? Oh Christ, they're cranked out open. This is a protected house. Knock on there again.
Did you hear that noise?
What the fuck? I heard him.
I wonder if he could hear us.
You should answer. Be polite. No.
Did he just move the blinds? Blinds?
I don't know. I can't tell.
What the hell is that? That picture.
I don't know, but knock again. One more time, that's it. Not until he comes around. No, I'm just kidding.
What do you guys want?
Oh. Really? I was scrubbing.
We thought your dog was stuck over there.
He would go like that.
I'm still recording.
Jeez, what you
Walking to his house.
Alright,
No.
go ahead.
Hey, I want to drink water.
You got water at home.
Ain't good.
Okay, what do you guys want?
What's up?
Nothing.
Can I get a hug?
No.
He's watching porn back there.
I am.
Is that Hello Kitty?
Yeah, but it's not mine. It's my little niece's.
Can I get a drink of water?
No, you got water at home, so. Kitty ain't fucking.
Yeah, silly. Hey, I wasn't the one that got pushed. Where's your cups?
Oh. You're not over here. Just kidding. This is really scary.
What? Well, you act like Michael was home.
Huh?
You act like Michael was home.
That's all. What?
When I was over at Michael's, guess what happened?
What?
Oh my god. I walked into the kitchen and I said I want cereal.
I think I have a crush on it.
No, I don't. I hate Michael.
Why?
Because when I chill with him, I'm the one that usually blazes up. Go. I'm taking your shoes.